the solution to this example, first thing we can do is we can highlight the whole area. Now what I'm going to do is I want to set it up in such a way that I actually get the format so that it turns red, but it also must show in the millions. So I'm going to go Control 1 just to get to the current formatting. So you'll see that's the current formatting. When I go to custom, you'll see this is the code that achieves this. Now you need to, in this case, because of my computer using spaces, I need to use a space. And with custom formats, it's sometimes worthwhile just experimenting and seeing what's happening here. So you'll see here's going to be a bit of a problem. We've got a 0 there. It's not really going to help. So I'm actually going to highlight it the other way, so that when I go to my custom format, I actually have a sample I can see. So I'm going to go custom here. So what you'll see is if I go here, I'm going to put a space. Let's try it after the underscore. Can you see nothing has happened to the sample? So I'm just going to delete it. I'm now going to go before the underscore and put a space, and you'll see now the sample changes. I'm going to put another space and it's changed. Now just be careful, because we've done it the way custom format works. These are for positive numbers, these are negative numbers. If I leave it like this, you'll see the positive numbers now in millions, but we didn't tell it how to handle the negative numbers. So we need to go back in there, and now after red, and I think it will be here, I'm going to put my 2 spaces. I can say OK, and you'll see it's now set it up that we see it in millions. If we want a decimal space, we could go there and add a decimal space like that. And just one last trick, the way the custom format works, the first section before the semicolon is positive numbers, second section after the first semicolon is negative numbers, and I can add a third, so I'm going to put a semicolon there, and these are how must it do zeros. So I actually want my zeros to appear with a little dash. So when I say OK, you'll see now we've turned this into this, which I think is a lot neater, and it can be a lot smaller, uses up less space in your dashboard.